Okay, so this is just the second part of the nth term of a sequence, and I've just got two fairly typical questions from GCSE papers. We'll look at question 1. The nth term of a sequence is 7n minus 4. What are the first three numbers in the sequence? So they've not asked you to find the nth term, but they've given you the nth term. So this really is a gift. So I write the first term, the second term, and the third term. Okay, because remember n is the term number. So it's just a question of substituting in the values. So here n is 1. So 7n would be 7 lots of 1, which is 7, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So we've worked out the first term. In the second term, n is 2, so 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 14 take away 4 gives us 10. And now n here is 3, so 7n would be 7 times 3, which is 21. And 21 take away 4 would be 17. Now we can check this because 7n tells us that there's a constant difference of 7. So from 3 to 10 is 7, and from 10 to 17 is 7. So I know that that's right. So if they give you the nth term, all you've got to do is substitute in the values and you've got the answer. Okay, so it's really quite simple. Now question 2. To find the sequence of a set of numbers, the rule is to double the previous number and add 6. So what would be the first two numbers in the sequence if the third number was 30? Okay, so again I write 1, 2 and 3. Now I know the third number is 30. I've not got an nth term, but they have told me the rule. The rule is to double the previous number and add 6. So whatever was here was doubled, and then they added 6 and they got the number 30. Well, we're going backwards. So all we do is reverse everything that they've told us the rule consists of. So instead of adding 6, we need to subtract 6. So 30 minus 6 is going to be 24, because 24 plus 6 does give me 30. And they say that you double the previous number. So if I'm going backwards, I must half this number. So 24 divided by 2 would be 12. Now we can check this. Double the previous number and add 6, so double 12 is 24 and add 6 does give us 30. Okay, so all we're doing is reversing the rule. So again add 6, so we subtract 6, so 12, take away 6, gives us 6, and the rule is to double, so we would half, and half of 6 is 3. And again you could check it, so 2 3s are 6, and we add 6 does give us 12. So I know this is right. So nth term may not here will give you the nth term, here doesn't give you the nth term, it just tells you what the rule is. So there is an nth term for this sequence, but they've just written it rather than saying nth term is 2n plus 6 or whatever the rule happens to be. So when you see these questions and their sequences, don't panic and go, oh, I don't know what the nth term is. Oh, I know what the nth term is, but I only know how to find it. Just use what you know. Okay, so in this sort of question, we know that n is the position number, so that will give us what we want. Here they've given us a rule, so we reverse the rule to go backwards, or if they want us to go forwards, we apply the same rule. Okay, it really is that simple. The trick is not to panic. Okay, so good luck, and I'll carry on making more videos.